Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina and Jillian. For today's video guys ay magbubuo tayo ng tulip. Ano natin to guys? Ipe-paint. At ito nga pala ay gift ni Jillian. Christmas gift niya to sa akin guys. Dalawa to. Yung isa ito and yung isa ay plushie.
From Pamasko.
Same kami ng regalo for each other, guys. Plushie. Pero magkaiba ng design, syempre. Alam ka namang pareha kami, di ba? Grabe na ang magiging twinning ng babae na yan. Let's start. Pwede yan. Let's start.
What is this?
Don't know. Don't touch that. First one is this. Oh, go. Maglabas ka. Ito yung pipaintingan, guys. Oh, ulabas ka! Hala lang, hala. Para saan yan?
This is the sand.
The sand?
And guys, ito yung
ano to, te? Ito yung pang-bait, guys. And ito ay yung base. Then the stand here. Okay, guys, let's start. Come back for part 2. That's all.
bye-bye.